How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Donahue here again. This time we're going to take a look at some practice problems for group trends of nonmetals. All right. Number one, which element is solid at room temperature? Well, what are our options? Well, H2, I know, is a gas at room temperature. Chlorine is also a gas at room temperature. Bromine is one of the weird ones. It's a liquid at room temperature. Iodine is a solid at room temperature, and fluorine is a gas at room temperature. So boom, not many nonmetals that are solid at room temperature. Iodine would be the one. Number two, which of the following can correctly complete this following statement? There may be multiple. Hydrogen is unique because blank. It is not a member of any particular group. That's a true statement. If you take a look, it's like kind of over here. It's in its own color because it's not really a metal, but it acts kind of like it, but it's also a non-metal. So I'd say that's true. Its electron is not shielded from the nucleus. That is also very true. There's just one proton and one electron. There's no shielding in between for that hydrogen atom. It is the lightest of the elements. Also a true statement. It is the only element to exist at room temperature as a diatomic gas. That is false, right? We got F2, O2, N2, Cl2. All those are diatomic and gases. It exhibits some chemicals similar to group 1 and 7A or 17. Yeah, that is also a true statement. So which of these is true? We got 1, 2, 3, and 5. Which of the following statements is not true for oxygen? All right, the most stable allotrope of oxygen is O2. That is a true statement. The chemical formula for ozone is O3. That is also a true statement. Dry air is about 79% oxygen. That is false. It's roughly like 20% oxygen. The 79% is more likely nitrogen. Oxygen forms peroxides and superoxide anions. Yeah, that's true. And then oxygen is a colorless gas at room temperature. Also true. So which one of these is false? It's choice C. Choice C. All right, 4. Xenon has been shown to form compounds only when it's combined with what? Well, xenon, noble gas, doesn't like reacting. The only time it's going to react is if you got something with a tremendous ability to remove electrons from another substance. So it's got to be something that's such an electron hog that it will steal them from xenon. 5. The element phosphorus exists in two forms in nature called white phosphorus and red phosphorus. These two forms are examples of allotropes. So that is the vocab word. So for example, like carbon has some allotropes. Could be graphite. It could also be diamond, right? Those properties are significantly different, but it's still just carbon. Same thing with oxygen. It could be O2, like what you're breathing in, or it could be O3, like ozone in the upper atmosphere. So those are allotropes. 6. Which of the following halogens are at room temperature? Are gases at room temperature and atmospheric pressure? All right, so which halogens? I need to know that I'm talking about group 17, and they need to be gases at room temperature. We got fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Nope, it's going to be a liquid. Iodine, a solid. So yeah, I would go with fluorine and chlorine. And I guess that's it. I hope you found it helpful. See you in class. Okay, bye.